So in this video, we're going to see how can we set up XR in Godot. So to make it short, what we have to do is in the project setting, we have to enable the OpenXR and the shaders. Then we're going to create the scenes and also connect the left hand and the right hand controllers. And in a script, we have to paste in this GD script code that will take care of the access server and the display server and so forth. So let's get started. So we have this project that is really blank at this moment. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on this 3D scene and initiate the all the section for the nodes and stuff. So here the first thing that we're going to do is go to project settings. Then we're going to search XR and then try to find XR, and here is the open XR option. And when you click on it, we'll see this expanded options, and here we do enable, and in the shader we do enable again. And what we're going to do is save and restart. So we're going to save it. Let's name the main scene let's do the main scene as save and close. So let's name it main and save. So the whole program is going to restart again with all those options being enabled. And now what we're going to do is create the nodes and elements. So the main thing that we need is the XR interface. So XR origin is here. So we create the XR origin, and as you can see, there is a warning, and it needs the XR camera as a child. So add child, and we're gonna include the XR camera 3D. Great. And also the other two things that we need is the XR controllers. So we create two of them, XR controller. So now we can rename them. So for example, I'm gonna rename this right hand and this one as left hand. Okay, and we can see there is one warning showing here, and this is warning like we haven't set the tracker. So obviously the right hand is going to be the right hand, and for the left hand is going to be the left hand. Okay, now everything is set up properly. The next thing that we're going to need is the code. So what I try to do is have it in a separate node. So I'm going to just create a new node 3D, create, and I'm just going to say XR init. So this is just for the XR initialization. I'm going to grab the code. So just copy, and I'm just going to attach a script, XR init. The best thing is to do is create separate folders. So that's going to be scripts or script open, create, and here it's going to Control A and Control V and Control S. So this is going to take care of all the interface stuff, and now all of these are connected. So the next thing that we actually need is to add the sun and the environment. The shortest way to do is like we go here in the three dots, we do add sun to the scene and environment to the scene. You see the environment and the directional light 3D has been added. Okay, now let's add some element that will actually let us know that the environment is working. So I'm just going to do mesh instance 3D and go here and add a shape to the mesh instance. We can add colors and we're going to add them later on. The other thing that I like to do is, for example, for the right hand, I create a child, like for example, the mesh instance again. Um, I'm just going to name it for now. So this is the right. I create another one. This is going to be left. Okay. Okay, for the right one, let's do box. Let's make it 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. I'm just gonna right click on the size and copy values. Go to the left one, do box shape, click on the box icon or image, and then paste the value on the size. Now let's some color to it. I'll do albedo, and for example, I make the left one pinkish or magenta, and the right one something different. Let's go standard. Then click on the material, and this will give us option. Now go to albedo, and for example, for this one, I make it yellow. Okay. So as all of this has been set up, let's see if our MetaQuest is working or not. So this is not connected. So let me connect it first. I am turning on my MetaQuest. It is being turned on. Okay, I have turned it on. Okay, I think you won't be able to see it. So let me see if there is other way I can do it. Uh, okay, so now I have it connected. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna hit play. This is going to ask like which scene to run. So for now, let's do select current, and this will start playing. Okay, now I'm moving my headset, and this is my right hand controller. I'm moving my hands, as you can see, and this is my left hand. Let me activate it or turn it on. Okay, now you can see my left hand as well. So now this is how you connect your MetaQuest 2. Cool.